Cinderellas, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a product unboxing with FabFitFun. This is their winter box, so some of you may be familiar with this particular program, FabFitFun, and you may be wondering to yourself, wow, there's so many subscription boxes out there, all these different subscriptions for everything from clothing to jewelry to fitness boxes to beauty boxes to whatever. I love FabFitFun because they are versatile. They have a little bit of everything, which is pretty cool. If you are like me and you like to get stuff in the mail, it feels like Christmas every single time I get a box in the mail. So I just got the winter 2020 box and I wanted to just unbox it with you guys. I want you to kind of see some of what comes in the box and really make a determination for yourself if it's worth it. For me, I did like the yearly subscription so that I just pay in one shot, and then every single time that I get a box that's already paid for the entire year. I think one box is like $50 and you can also get like a discount code. I'll look for one and drop it in the links below for you guys. Here we go. So I opened the box, and one of the things that was in this box is, so let's say $50 a box. So what we're gonna do during this unboxing is I'm also gonna like go online and I'm gonna tell you how much each item costs so you can really understand like the value of like what you're getting in the box. So these are Sloan champagne flutes, and there's 4 of them in here. I already opened it up, and number one, they actually are really, really beautiful champagne flutes. They're nice and clear. The design is really, really cute. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. So that's the champagne flute right there. You can see it's a like a really nice, unique design. And so these are a set of 4 Sloan champagne flutes, but these are $45. It's a set of brand new flutes. Somebody's actually selling them from FabFitFun. Somebody else is selling them for $52. So Sloan is a champagne company, I think. That's what it looks like. And the flutes. So this box, let's say approximately for this box of flutes, you're gonna pay about $45 to $50. Bombshe.com, which is this distributor or the maker of these flutes, they're selling them for $51. So $51, all right? Let's go on to the next item in the box. Now, and if you are a member with FabFitFun, and I think if you do like the yearly membership, you get like access to paying or picking your stuff in your box like in advance of them actually automatically picking it for you, which is really cool. So the membership, like when you sign up for it, you're basically putting in like your interests and what you like, you know, what things that you'll gear more towards, whether it's fitness or beauty or cooking or whatever. And I think they try to incorporate things that you like into your box. This is a scarf, and I guess because I like fashion, they probably incorporated that in there. And this scarf feels really, really nice actually. And this scarf is from Lucky. It's a Lucky brand scarf. It's an unsized scarf, and there's a price tag on this. It says $69.50. So if I were to hit the web and try to figure out how much this Lucky brand scarf was, about $35, $40 for this same scarf online. So, and it's really, really nice and plush, feels great. It's very thick, perfect for the cold weather here in New Jersey. Next, we have these Espari cutting boards. They come in 4, there's 4 different colors. And what I like about them is they have the little signs of what you would use them for. This is like a meat cutting board, poultry, chicken, veggies, and seafood. So you can kind of really separate out everything and like not have to cross-contaminate, which I do like that. And cutting boards, you can never get enough of them. This is like for me a very practical type of thing to get regularly. They are BPA free. So far let's say we're up to about $90 in items already. So I found the Espari cutting boards on the Espari website, and they are $20 for the pack of 4, which is awesome. Again, BPA free, they're dishwasher safe, 20 bucks. So now what are we up to? $110 in this box so far. And oh, they included a Kind bar, which in case you get hungry. Dark chocolate nut sea salt, I actually like this one. Thank you, FabFitFun, for that. Alrighty, what else do we have in here? We have a Rhythm of Rain hair mask and scalp detox. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm gonna look it up. So this is what it looks like. Gotta open it. Oh, it actually smells really good. Reminds me of like honeydew, or like that's kind of what it smells like. Let's see the price on 4. This is sold right now in Ulta for $28. It's interesting because I never really looked up all the prices before, but a lot of people buy these things. I mean, get the box and then they resell their stuff, which is interesting. Like, why bother even getting the box? I mean, I guess you create a little business for yourself, but so we're so far at $138. $138 worth of like awesome product. There's still a couple of more things in here. So the next thing I just pulled up was the Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark from Dr. Brandt's, which I know is not an inexpensive brand. It's actually a pretty good brand. So that's $36 on Ulta, $36 on Sephora, $36 on Macy's, $35 on Walmart. So we're up to $174 so far in the box, and there's more stuff. Okay, so, ooh, scrunchies. Leopard seems to be in this season, and there's 3 scrunchies in this little, I love like the little extra stuff sometimes they throw in. These scrunchies are super cute. I definitely will be wearing them, and they are from Knorr. So let's see what these Knorr scrunchies cost. KnorrOfficial.com is the website, and the scrunchies, there's leather scrunchies. Wow, I didn't even know that. They have purses, bags, jewelry, they make everything. I didn't even know that. I never even heard of this company. So it looks like a pack of leather ones are like 14, or actually a pack of 2 with the leather ones are $14. So I looked up the price of the Knorr scrunchies and they're $25. The Knorr leopard print scrunchies, $25. So far we are up to $199. All right, let's keep going. Then we have something in this little package here. I don't know what that is. It's like so much fun. I feel like it's like Christmas already. Oh, it's a blush. Phase Zero blush making moves. Oh, I like this. I actually really like this color. You can see it. I'm gonna bring it in a little bit closer. So, and this is the brand Phase Zero. I love this like natural looking blush, actually. I'm definitely gonna be using this. This is so pretty. This is not that bad. People are again reselling it everywhere. Mercari, Poshmark, here, there, the other thing. $28.50 for the Phase Zero Making Moves blusher. So now we're at $227.50. The last product in this box is the lip scrub, and I love that it's like, since it's a winter box, it's like carefully thought out. Like you're gonna be maybe doing some outdoor activity and you need a scarf, you know, stuff to like moisturize your scalp, like you want something to put your hair up, maybe you want something to scrub your dry lips, your dry winter lips. This is Wish, and I actually have tried some of their other products before. I really like this brand. This is the Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. Again, paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, DEA and T free, which I don't really know what that means, cruelty free, Leaping Bunny certified. I have no idea. What it does, it's brown sugar, raspberry seed, and bamboo powder, and it moisturizes with shea butter, raspberry butter, and aloe. There's a vitamin E extract and a avocado oil. So let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. But let's go ahead and smell it. Oh, it smells so good. This is like what Christmas smells like. It's like Christmas cookie, vanilla bean. It smells so good. This is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and look up the cost of this. I cannot still find the price of this lip scrub. Wish Beauty or whatever, you need to like make it easy to find your scrubs. Oh, maybe they repackaged it? I don't know. Because now it's like in like a glass bottle. It's like $24. So let's just go with that. So $24. So, all right, ready for the grand total, guys? $250 worth of items in my box. $251.50 actually, to be quite precise. And I paid like 50 bucks for the box. So if you're on the fence about getting one of these boxes, if you think it's worth it, if it's not, I totally think it's worth it. So now here's the kicker. When they send you this box, they give you like a bunch of different coupons and stuff. And they also give you, FabFitFun gives you this nice catalog here. It's FabFitFun catalog. They tell you about what's in the box, and they also tell you the pricing, but I wanted to like live look up the pricing, because I know that sometimes when you got like a $250 box for like 50 bucks, you're like, what's the catch? Like with FabFitFun, there's no catch. I think people also pay to be in this box. So that's where they're making some of that revenue. And there's also, every company also has like a certain amount allocated to like sampling and gratis. So they hope that if you use a product and you like it, you're gonna go write a review about the product, which I absolutely will do. But it also tells you like the price for each particular item. So you can see my champagne flutes are in here, right? You can also see that scarf that we got was in here. These mugs look so nice too. See, I'm having like envy. Look at this right here. The pore cleanser, that's in there. So you can see there's a bunch of different stuff. And it tells you, so here it's telling me that the Lucky Brand solid brush scarf is like $69. You know, online we found it for like $40. And that's probably just the retail price of it because it's even tagged as that much. But you know, we always look for a deal, right? That's why you're subscribed to a box. I definitely recommend the FabFitFun box. See, here's all the tutorials and things like that. I definitely recommend the FabFitFun box. I think it's a great investment in trying different items. If you are a content creator, it's great to like get all these different items to try and like talk about and share tutorials and different things like that. If you just want good stuff, but you want to save some money, this is another way to do that. And especially if you have some control over what goes in your box. The other thing that FabFitFun also includes in their box is they include a bunch of different coupons for different things. So here's one from Bright Wine Cellars, and there's a quiz and a $45 credit here. You can use that. This is a code, $15 off of your first FabFitFun box. That's $200 worth of products, which is true. We just added it up for $34.99. Ooh, guys, I am gonna share this code with you guys in the comments below so you can get a box, your first box, for $35. Why not? And then here's something from HelloFresh. 9 free meals across 5 boxes, including shipping. So save time, save money, 9 free meals. Here's a tea lover box by 500, wow, your new favorite teas. So find your new favorite teas. 50% off of your first box. I don't know how much box costs because I haven't checked it, but sips by, and there's a heart. So there you go. And then this is login for a free 14-day trial of HBO Max. And with HBO Max, you guys know like so many different shows are gonna be, or movies are just gonna be streamed on HBO lately. That's what I carry, HBO. So give it a shot. So those are like some really extra fun added benefits of the box. So it's totally worth investing into the box. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of the box, and I'll see you Cinderellas later. If you enjoy this, please, if you know somebody that's like thinking about subscribing to the box, share this video with them and comment if you have questions below about the program or the membership. And also definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me as we're working to grow this channel. So love you guys. See you later.